Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Philippines, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte,
Ikaw ang
together with Madam Shalito Hanilet Avancenia,
para sa pagbabago. Sawa na ang
once again, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Philippines, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
madilim na kahapon. Ikaw ang mag-aahon sa piling mo. Di
You
ko
may now take your
mawawala
seats.
ang korupsyon.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the simultaneous inauguration of the school buildings of General Gregorio del Pilar Integrated School and Virginia Ramirez Cruz High School. For the start of the program, may we call on Bulacan Province Governor Daniel Fernando for his welcome remarks.
Magandang hapon po sa kanilang lahat. On behalf of the people of Bulacan, it is my honor and distinct privilege to welcome President Rodrigo Roa Duterte for the inauguration of General Gregorio del Pilar Integrated School here in Santa Ana, Bulacan, and the simultaneous inauguration of Virginia Ramirez Cruz High School Extension in Pandi. Maligayang pagdating din po, Madam Hanilet Avancenia, Senator Bongo, at kalihim Mark A. Villar ng kagawaran ng mga pag-away ng Lansangan Bayan. Sa mga opisyales ng pamahalaang lalawigan ng Bulacan, sa pangunguna po, of course, Congresswoman Rita Robes, Congressman Jonathan C. Alvarado, former Governor, Vice Governor Willie C. Alvarado, sa mga mayors po, sa pangunguna ni Mayor Ambrosio Boycos Jr., which is the President of the LNP, and the host mayor, Berhel Meneses, sa lahat po ng mga opisyales ng kagawaran ng edukasyon, sa pangunguna po ni R.D. May Eklat, sa mga guro, sa mga magulang, isang maalab na pagtanggap po mula sa lalawigan ng Bulacan. Minamahal na Pangulo, kami po sa lalawigan ng Bulacan ay taos pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyong mapanagutang liderato na naging gabay at lakas namin upang labanan ang droga, ang insurgency, at lalong higit itong pandemya. At para masolusyonan ang mga kaugnay na suliraning hatid nito, ang mahalagang araw po na ito ng pagbubukas ng minamahal nating paralan ay may hatid na mensahe ng pag-asa para sa lahat. Ito ay patunay na narito ang ating pamahalaan handang manguna at makaagapay natin. Sa panahong ito ng pagbangon ng ating mga kababayan, ang ating pamahalaan ay patuloy na naghahatid ng mga kritikal na serbisyo kalusugan, pagawaing bayan, impormasyon, lalong-lalo na po sa edukasyon ng ating mga kabataan. Sa ating simple ngunit makabuluhang pagdiriwang, dalangin ko po nagabayan tayo ng inaiwang gunita ng kabayanihan ng Batang General Gregorio del Pilar na siyang pangalang pang-alaala ng pasisinayang paaralan. Ang pagpapahalaga sa edukasyon at kaalaman ng ating mga kabataan ang siyang pinakamabuting sandata ng pambansang pagbabago. Once again, our beloved President Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte, thank you for this gift to the people of Bulacan. We welcome you with joy and gratitude. Dalangin ko po para sa ating lahat ang gabay at pagliligtas ng ating makapangyarihang Diyos. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat at maligayang pagdating dito po sa dakilang lalawigan ng Bulacan.
Thank you, Governor Fernando. Today, we shall witness the simultaneous unveiling of the markers for the newly constructed school buildings in the province of Bulacan. 3 new school buildings here at General Gregorio del Pilar Integrated School, Bulacan, Bulacan, and 4 new school buildings at Virginia Ramirez Cruz High School in Pandi, Bulacan. May we invite the President to proceed to the center stage to lead the ceremonial unveiling of the markers. May we also invite Madam Shalito Hanelet Avancenia, Public Works and Highways Secretary Mark Villar, Senator Bongo, Governor Daniel Fernando, Mayor Vergel Meneses, and DepEd Regional Director May Eclar to witness the unveiling of markers. May we also request the simultaneous unveiling of the marker at Virginia Ramirez Cruz High School to be led by Public School District Supervisor Teresita Alquiza and Pandi Mayor Enrico Roque. On the count of 3, 2, 1, the unveiling of the markers. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Please be seated. At this point, may we call on Public Works and Highways Secretary Mark Villar to introduce our guest of honor.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to introduce to you the President of the Republic of the Philippines, Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Kindly sit down. Thank you. To my lovely partner, Shileto Hanelet Abansenia, who hails from Valenzuela, Bulacan. Public Works and Highways Secretary Mark Villar, Senator Bongo, members of the House of Representatives, Bulacan Governor Daniel Fernando, Bulacan Vice Governor Wilhelmino C. Alvarado, Bulacan Mayor Vergel Meneses, Pande Bulacan Mayor Enrico Roque, and other city mayors and municipalities, Department of Education, Santa Roson, Regional Director May Eclar, Public School District Supervisor Teresita Alquiza, mga kasama ko sa gobyerno, magandang hapon sa inyo lang. It's a nice feeling to be back. I remember I was campaigning and we had a very limited time. We were always in a hurry, but I made the promise sa inyo, taga Bulacan, that there will rise some itong mga national high schools para sa mga anak ninyo. I am pleased to join you today for the simultaneous inauguration of these school buildings at General Gregorio del Pilar Integrated School and Virginia Ramirez Cruz High School. Let me recognize the important role of the Department of Education and the Department of Public Works and Highway and the local government in the successful planning and construction of this new school building. Your collective efforts in this project has been crucial in creating a more conducive, inclusive, and resident learning environment for students of Bulacan. Our investment in education infrastructure affirms our continuing commitment to promote the right of the people to quality and accessible education at all levels. On this note, I reiterate the need to complete government structures projects on time, and if possible, I am directing all concerned agencies to ensure the least inconvenience to the public during construction, while ensuring strict adherence to the highest standards of honesty, integrity, and prevent corruption. Once again, I thank the local government for their support. I assure you that the government is exerting all efforts to go full throttle in this COVID-19 vaccination program to ensure the safety of students before the resumption of the face-to-face learning. I truly appreciate the patience and understanding of the learner, parents, teachers in your locality. We are hopeful that these newly built classrooms will provide a more conducive learning environment even as we cope with the new normal. A good education is a valuable gift we can proudly pass on to succeeding generations of Filipinos. Let us join hands in developing the full potential of your youth as bearers of our nation's sustainable future. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. President. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our program. Mula po sa puso ng bawat Bulakenyo, maraming salamat po, mahal naming Pangulong Duterte. Again, ladies and gentlemen, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
I'd like to maybe talk to you, but I have to go to, it's during sunset time. Helicopters are only good for day flying. At dapat hindi kami maabutan ng night time. It's about 5:30 something. So, alis na po ako without so much ceremony ang ado kasi may bubuksan pa rin ako noon. Ganito rin sa Valenzuela. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kindly remain seated until the President has left the venue. Again, kindly remain seated until the President has left the venue.